Hi everyone. For supper tonight, I'll be making slow cooker horseradish pot roast. What all goes into the slow cooker pot roast? 4 pounds beef chuck roast. This is a little bit over 4 pounds. 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon oregano, 4 ounces cream horseradish, 1 table Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup beef broth, and I have the spicy beef broth, 1 white onion sliced, and 3 cups white mushrooms. So let's begin. I want to give a shout out to Cooking with Rick. He's got a lot of good recipes. He has a lot of neat appliances that he cooks them in. And the other day he did a pressure cooker mushroom pot roast, and that gave me an idea to make this recipe. So please go check out my friend Rick. Take a large skillet over medium-high heat and heat up your 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I have vegetable oil. Then take your roast and brown it on all sides. After you get it fully brown on all sides, then put it in your slow cooker. Then take your salt and pepper and sprinkle it on top of the roast and the pepper and the oregano. And that was 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon oregano. And I'm just going to rub it in. Oh, it's a little bit warm. Then take your 4 ounces of horseradish. I absolutely love horseradish. Dave's not a big fan, although the horseradish salmon he liked, but it had other stuff mixed with the horseradish, so it wasn't as bitey. Then add your onions. And that is 1 whole onion sliced. Your 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Your mushrooms, and I cut them in, they were big mushrooms. I cut them into fourths. And your 1 cup of beef broth, and I'm using spicy beef broth. If you're going to do horseradish, you might as well go all out. Take your lid, put it on, turn it to low, and then cook it for 9 to 10 hours without opening the lid during the cooking time. So here is the slow cooker horseradish pot roast sitting on a bed of mashed potatoes, topped with onions and mushrooms, and rounding out the meal is a honey butter biscuit. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Smells good.
Hope it tastes good.
Me too.
That is slow cooker horseradish pot roast.
Well, there's no kick to it unless it sneaks up on me. It's really good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.